Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm into industry from last 29 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. तो दोस्तों आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में आप देखेंगे द मैक Chelsea Residency in Maritime City in Dubai. So let's begin with the presentation. So friends, this is how the elevation of the building is. Chelsea Residences, and this project is in collaboration with Chelsea Football Club, which is world famous football club, and this project is developing on top of the island which is known as Maritime City, and this is one of the cluster in Maritime City. तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे there are 6 wings are there are 4 towers with different wings. So in center one, that is A and B on left side, and extremely left side, that is C tower, and similarly on right hand side the back side building is A and B tower, and extremely right side front one is C tower. So A and B towers, which are center ones, these are all sold out. Now developer has launched Corners Tower, both the side Corners Tower, and these are C towers. So on launch day itself 4 wings were sold out because of high demand of this project, and this is the only project which is in the island, and secondly it has all the flat sea facing flats. So because of very limited sea facing plots in Dubai, this project is in high demand, and one of the building on left side C tower is ground plus 2 level podium. In fact, whole project has ground plus 2 level podium, and left side building is 33 story tower, and right side C tower is 30 story tower, and it has combination of 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. So 3 BHK is again all sold out, only 1 and 2 BHK is available. Plus this project has more than 60 plus amenities, and all unique amenities are there. Plus there is man-made beach on the podium level, and large size clubhouse has been given. So very beautiful look of the building, and there are few rooftop amenities. In one of the amenities on left side C tower, on the rooftop developer has given football court, and this is the first building having football court on the terrace in Dubai. So when you see on this location map, this is Dubai Maritime City, and this red color spot is Chelsea Residences. They have shown in circle. This is the bigger image of Maritime Tower, and this is Chelsea Residences. So all the side you can see this is purely sea facing flats from here. So Dubai International Airport, Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club, DIFC and Burj Khalifa, these are all close by location. Then Safa Park, Jumeirah Beach, these are all close by location from this project, which is hardly 15 minutes drive from this project. Plus here you will see there is lot of infrastructure developing in the surrounding areas. Dubai Reef project is under construction, which will again attract tourism to this place, plus Dubai Cruise. So when you see the location map over here, Bur Dubai is close by, then there is Gold Line, this is metro line which is passing close by from this project. So plenty of public transportation and metro connection is there. There is Al Gubaiba metro station and Green Line metro line. So this is one more view of the building, where you will see in center ones are AB left side and AB on right side, and corners on both the side are C towers, which is launched recently. Plus every flat has floor to ceiling clear height, that is 3.4 meter, as good as 11 feet, and every flat has proper cross ventilation with large windows and clear view. Plus it has huge running deck, so large living space with plenty of space for dining table. This is one more bedroom. Every room has 2 windows, and both are large windows with glass facade. This is master bathroom, very elegant and beautiful look of the flat and the project too. Plus all the fittings are branded companies. The Mac is a branded developer. You have walk-in wardrobe, so beautiful view from the balcony from the corners flat. You have huge balcony. So in amenities, in fitness zone you have Chelsea Lion Beach, Chelsea Blue Beach Club, Coral Reef, Infinity Pool, Kids Play underwater theme, and much more. In wellness you have outdoor yoga, aerial yoga room, Chelsea Athlete Spa, couples treatment, Starlit Wellness Center, forest relaxation pods, and much more. In dining you have Dubai first healthy fine dining mono diet cafe, caption table dine with Legend Sunset Bar. So these are few glimpses of the amenities, plenty of water bodies, man-made beach, palm trees. Then here are some indoor amenities. Plus in one of the amenities you will see there is a football court on rooftop of the building, beautiful lobby entrance, yoga and meditation space, sauna and steam room. So these are some of the amenities, which is forest relaxation pods, rain therapy, water treatment tunnel, and much more. Then there is waterfall sound therapy, tranquility falls, the Legend walkway, powerhouse lounge, sunset bar, Chelsea blue aquarium lounge. So finally we come to the unit plan, and this is 1 BHK unit plan with balcony, and this is 811 square feet usable area. Then 2 BHK is 1401 square feet usable area. One more 2 BHK 1401. 3 bedroom is 2132 square feet usable area, and you will see huge running deck covering the flat. And finally possession for this building will be in December 2029. You have fantastic payment plan in this project. 24% you have to pay now and 1% every month till the date of possession, and remaining 40% will be on possession. So possession, as I told you, it's on December 2029. And finally friends, for more details, for discount and booking, you can call me on the number above, or you may click the link in the description. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye. Take care.